Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Taken Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix Messenger not sending messages. So let's get started. At first, we need to make sure that we have the updated version of Messenger. For that, let's get into Play Store and search for Messenger, and over here we can see open. And if it writes update, we can simply tap on that to update the Messenger. And if this does not work, and if you are not able to send message to any specific person, it might be because you are blocked, so we need to be careful about that as well. Let's get into settings and search for Messenger, and let's get into storage, and here we need to clear cache, and we can clear data as well. So click on delete. After this, the Messenger might work. So that is all we can do. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. The Messenger might work. So that is all we can do. I hope you like